Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64 kit. As you can see, this is the front view and the top view of the kit. So you can see the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64, and you can see the other details over here. This is a very small compact pack. You can see it's very small here. And as you can see, this is the front view of it. You can see the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64. You can find the catalog number here, 08FK50 C certified IVD product, and you can see it's a 25 test pack. You can see it here, and it has a temperature between 1 to 30 degrees Celsius. You have to maintain in that temperature. So let me show you the sides. So as you can see, just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64 kit. You can find the manufacturing address here. It's manufactured in Korea. You can see the registration here, and you can find the contents here: 25 test kits with desiccator in individual foil pouches, extraction buffer, 1 instructions for use. So this is the other side of it. You can find the manufacturing and the expiry date, the import date and all. So this is the other side of it. So guys, let me open this box for you. So this is how the box looks now. So guys, you can see on the top you can find instructions for use, the IFE brochure of it. You can find it, the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64. You can find the contents over here. So this is the IFE brochure. Let me keep this aside for you. And after that, there are let me get this for you. So as you can see, this is the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64 assay diluent. You can see it here. So let me keep this aside, and let me go here. And also you can find this is the Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64 rapid diagnostic test strips. So these are the strips. So let me show you this. These are the strips. So guys, and each test strips contains a desiccator placed inside this cover. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64. As you can see, it comes with an IFE brochure, and it has an assay diluent, then around 25 rapid diagnostic test strips. So this is the entire content of Abbott Bioline TB Ag MPT64 kit. Thank you.